Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 95 Suburban. And see the gauges work. That amp gauge moves around. I do not know why, but everything else works good. Doesn't have an anti-lock light on it, as you can see. That's kind of the rear anti-locks. They were kind of a funky issue. There you can see your blinkers. Horn works, wipers, there you can hear your radio, blower. Power locks work. And all the windows. The driver's side works, and on the passenger side. So I believe everything works on it. I'll show you the lights and take a listen to that 454 fuel injected. Sounds good. Headlights. Tail lights, license plate lights work. So everything works in it. Nice 3/4 ton Suburban. Any questions? 605-695-7391.